Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0535S in color code 001. It's a black color frame. On the temples, it has a big GG Gucci logo in gold on the side and a leaf design with a gold metal ending of the temples. Same for both sides. This frame is made in Italy. And the lenses are a gray color with the Gucci logo engraved in the top right frame. Up here we have a velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.